Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what's the most canonical way for checking of type in Python. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically what I've done right now, I've created a simple string and the string has a variable name of name corresponding to the data Mike. And now what I'm going to do is, first thing is we will use the function that is instance, and this instance just checks whether a data corresponds to the given data in the argument, and if it does, it will return true, else it will return false. So let me create a response, and now I will make use of the isInstance function. And now first thing I'll provide the string name, that is name, and after that I will just type in string str, that is the string typecast. And now let me just simply print the response, and if I do that and run it, as you can see, true returns since the given data is a type of the string. But let's say if I change the type argument from string to some other data type, for example dict, and if I run this, now it shall return false since the given two data do not correlate. Now we will simply check the other method, that is the most common method that we will be using by doing the type casting method, by checking using the type function. So what I'll say is if type of the given data that we want to check, that is name, is equal to str, then I shall print true. And let me just save this, and first of all let me delete this response and let me comment it, and if I run it, as you can see, you get the word true written. And let's see if I change this, let's change it to dict, and now if I run it, it does not return anything since I did not create a else statement. So let me quickly do that, else I shall print false. Okay, that looks pretty fine, and if I run it, it will return false since the given data type, that is name, isn't equal to the data type that we are checking, that is dict. So that's it from this quick video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.